Wake up, it's a new day. Wake up, it's a new day. I just woke up. I just woke up.
Welcome to Knowledge Walla.
Walk into the bathroom.
Walk into the bathroom.
Look in the mirror. Look in the mirror.
Open the toothpaste. Open the toothpaste.
Take your toothbrush. Take your toothbrush. Put toothpaste on the brush.
Start brushing your teeth. Start brushing your teeth.
Brush slowly. Brush slowly. Brush the back teeth. Brush the back teeth. Brush for 2 minutes. Brush for 2 minutes. Rinse your mouth. Rinse your mouth. Rinse.
Turn on the tap. Turn on the tap.
Use face wash. Use face wash.
Splash water on your face. Splash water on your face.
Wash your face gently. Wash your face gently. Dry your face with a towel. Dry your face with a towel. Step into the shower. Step into the shower.
Use soap. Use soap.
Turn on the shower. Turn on the shower.
Wash your body. Wash your body.
Turn off the shower. Turn off the shower.
Wrap a towel around your hair. Wrap a towel around your hair. Dry your hair. Dry your hair.
Take your comb.
Take your comb.
Comb your hair slowly. Comb your hair slowly.
Take some face cream. Take some face cream. Apply the cream on your face. Apply the cream on your face. Rub the cream gently. Rub the cream gently. Look in the mirror again. Look in the mirror again. Now you are ready for the day. Now you are ready for the day.